I just feel like I have been getting consistent messages that I need to do this. So I did it. And that's all there is to say about it. Hi, welcome to my channel. This is Mac Makes Stuff. I'm Mac, and this is where I like to make stuff. There is a timeline of events to whatever it is that I've just done here. December of 2022, I cosplayed as Jobu Chapaki from the amazing Oscar-winning film Everything Everywhere All at Once. It was fabulous. I loved it. I had a wonderful time. One of my favorite costumes ever. Involved was a ruff. A couple months later was February, which if you watched my Halloween video, you would know that I did a quick costume of Prudence Blackwell from Chilling Adventures of Sabrina. Was a fabulous costume, also involved a ruff. My algorithm caught hold of these instances and started feeding me more ruffs, more jesters, more harlequins, more clowns, and I have been ensnared down this little rabbit hole of these little really cute little whimsical silly little clown outfits, and this is where I ended up today. Yeah, so that's what I'm doing. I'm just making a frilly floofy dress that I could wear as a clown outfit. So this was the fabric I chose. It is a rainbow striped linen blend fabric I got from Spotlight, perfect for the clown theme. And then I also thrifted this shirt secondhand. I really like the collar, so I decided I would incorporate that. And this is the pattern I'm using. Yes, it is a nightgown, but it is perfectly baggy, and the pockets, amazing. I'm just following along with the directions. I'm layering the two fabrics here and then adding a little faux button placket on the front and then just attaching them all together. Then I need to attach this yoke to the other front piece. So you can see the sides are kind of flat and then towards the middle it's more gathered. At some point in this process, I also dug up some lace from my stash and also sandwiched that in between just to add a little bit more adornment to the piece, because clowns definitely are maximalist icons. When I say I was getting messages from the universe to make this video, these are all the creators that I found or I follow who make Clowncore content over the course of me making this video. So go check them out. They make amazing things and I love their content, but I just wanted to talk a little bit more about the cottagecore to clowncore pipeline, I'm calling it. I just feel like with cottagecore, there's a little bit of that historical whimsy and fun that I feel like kind of clowncore and the whole like jester aesthetic really lends itself to. Moving on to my favorite part of any project is, of course, the sleeves. Here, I cut out the pieces from the pattern and I added a channel across the side. The stripes going different ways. I thought that would be really fun. And this is where I'm going to add the elastic. And you might notice I left like quite a bit of space there because I wanted like a really big cuff area. And then after that, I'm just going to attach that to the shoulder seams of my piece. Just a reminder, you can like and subscribe to my channel if you're enjoying my content. The last couple of videos I've done, it's been really nice to get your guys' feedback and everything. I really appreciate all your support. And you can also follow me on Instagram and TikTok. They're also Mac Makes Stuff. and there I post more behind the scenes and process videos, and you kind of get usually a beforehand look of some of the videos that I post, because I'm still working through learning how to like edit and everything properly. So, you know, sometimes it takes a while for me to get like a full video out, but on Instagram and stuff, I can usually post things a little bit more quickly in the short form content. So if you like some of that stuff, go check it out and you can see a little bit more of what I'm up to over there. Okay, so let's get back into the video. Now with all the different pieces sorted, it is time to put them all together. And now we are just going to sew up the sides tip to tail. And now we have a semblance of a dress. And you can see I'm really feeling myself here, really getting into the spirit of it. And the last little bit is going to be attaching this collar to the collar of the dress. So I cut it up down the sides and then used lots and lots of pins to pin it to the neckline. And then very carefully, without running over all of those pins, stitch it up to the neckline. Also, another piece of this is that the lace that I added before, I added another row of stitching because it was just coming up slightly and I didn't really like that. I wanted it to lay more flat. Now, we cannot neglect the accessories, so I decided to use the last of the scraps to make a bow. I'm going to link below in the description box the tutorial that I used, a very cute bow, and I think I will try and use this for other projects, but this is the one that I decided to make for my clown. I think I'm gonna end up mostly using my blush, but I also have like this little bit of pinkiness here. Ooh, okay. I'm gonna start with this, and then see how that goes. I'm feeling it. I'm feeling it coming on. The things that I do. I feel like once I put the eyeliner and the pearls on, it'll come together after that. I feel like. I feel like this is gonna be one of those things where you like try and make it even, and then you just keep adding more and more. I mean, I feel like more is probably more in this case, since this is such an like extreme look. Extreme, as I'm going for soft clowncore makeup, but you know. I love putting pearls on my face. Like, it can be frustrating, but I just think like the look is just so pretty. Like, that was the thing that really made the look for my Jodie costume, was the pearls, like face wise. Alright, well, here we go. Gonna do our best. I'm gonna go change. We're gonna put the full look together. Thank you for joining me. So there you have it. This is how it turned out. I'm actually quite pleased with this, actually. With the gloves and the ruff and everything, I think it all came together as a full look. And what's the point of, you know, being able to make things like this if you don't do it once in a while? So this was definitely like a little bit ridiculous. But hey, you can also dress it down, I guess. I have since making this made another soft clowncore inspired dress, I guess. Not intentionally, I just wanted it to have a bunch of frills and ruffles, and then I put it on and realized it's really in the same category. So you can go over to my Instagram. I am wearing it to the Frock Tales event in my city. So you can go over to my Instagram and take a look at some of the pictures from that. And let me know what you think. So yeah, that's everything. I hope you enjoyed this video. Let me know if you have a fear of clowns. And if you do, I apologize for that. Yeah, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, you know, share this with a clown enthusiast friend of yours. Yeah, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye! Boy, oh boy.